The Epson SureColor F9530H features easy operation, which enables users to boost productivity. In this video, we will show how the usability is improved in the media loading and ink replacement. The SC-F9530H comes with a media lifter, which enables one-man operation. Individuals can load and replace heavy media effortlessly by using the media lifter. We will show how to load the media step by step. Place the media on the media lifter. Lift the media to the right height. Insert the media into the opening. Temporarily lock the media placement with the nip lever. The media cleaner can help remove dust. Secure the media with the nip lever on top of the printer. Adjust the media by the top lever. Select the media on the panel and the printer will do the media adjustment automatically. Set up Auto Take-Up Reel. Set up Core. Cut the paper. Stick paper to the core. Choose Auto or Manual Take-Up. As the Epson SC-F9530H is equipped with bulk ink solution, you can replace inks easily and cleanly. Pull the ink tray out. Remove depleted ink pack from ink tray. Replace with new ink pack. Close the ink tray. The Epson SC-F9530H comes with a new flat-top design. Users are able to perform their task on top of the printer and monitor the printer status at the same time. Besides that, with the help of transparent cover and interior light, it also enables users to monitor the print status easily. For example, if customers make a mistake in sending a job, they can promptly find and cancel it. With ease of operation features, the Epson SC-F9530H helps to improve daily operation and overall productivity.